Now let's move on to the 79th question, which says which compound among these will form significant amount of meta product during mononitration reaction. So they are asking significant amount of meta products, right? So the simple questions, it's actually a very simple question. So this is again all of these contain benzene ring, right? So this is activating group, this is again activating group, and these are basically the deactivating groups. So the obvious distractor for this particular question could be either 1 or 3, right? Anyone would be looking at it and saying that there is a carbonyl group, there is a carbonyl group both, so the answer should be either 1 or 3, but actually the answer is neither 1 nor 3, right? And there is a reason for it. So during mononitration, what exactly happens? So mononitration, in nitration we use nitric acid and sulfuric acid mixture, correct? So due to the lone pair on nitration, what exactly happens? Aniline gets protonated. Okay, so aniline, this gets protonated due to acid forming anilinium ion. Okay, so this is the reason. So it forms anilinium ion, and this anilinium ion now becomes a deactivating group. So this becomes a deactivating group, because of which it deactivates ortho and para position. And since it deactivates the ortho and para position, therefore meta substituted compound is formed. Okay, so that means it would form meta-nitro compound, right? So the correct answer for this particular question is option number 2, which is aniline. So I would simply write answer, correct answer is option 2, which is aniline. Okay, so these are very, very simple ones. Now you may say that the lone pair is here as well. Here oxygen has 2 lone pairs, here nitrogen has 2 lone pairs as well. Nitrogen has 1 lone pair, sorry. Nitrogen has only 1 lone pair. But if you could see here, these are connected to electron withdrawing groups. So the accessibility towards this lone pair won't be that high as compared to aniline. So given a choice for the protonation will not happen on this oxygen as well as nitrogen. Now the question would come that why this OH, right? This OH even could get protonated. Now nitrogen and oxygen, the atomic size is comparatively bigger in nitrogen, because oxygen comes after nitrogen. Across the period, atomic size decreases, right? So OH would be less reluctant to give the lone pair as compared to nitrogen. Nitrogen being more in size, its tendency to give the electron pair for formation of a bond with H plus would be more better. This is the reason aniline forms anilinium ion, which deactivates the benzene ring, thereby facilitating the meta-substituted product formation. Okay, so this was about question number 9, which was related to organic chemistry, nitration reactions or nitration of organic compounds. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Kindly comment, subscribe and like this video to get more updates.